Hello, welcome to Valkyria Chronicles 4. We are still on Chapter 11, which I suspect will be another gameplay thing here, because we've got the space for it.
We did it! We really did it! 3 cheers for the hero of the Centurion!
Well, this is a little much.
You are the one who came up with the plan, and you're the one who led us to victory. I think you've earned a little pride, don't you?
I don't know. No, you're right. I fought to make this mission a success. That is something to be proud of.
Victory is a fine thing, but this win feels a little more significant than usual, wouldn't you say? Claude's precise tactics, the captain's dauntless command, it all meshed together perfectly. I'm sure everyone on the ship is sharing in this victory.
In light of this achievement, even I can't deny his ability.
Well, thanks, Ronald, even though you are a gigantic racist.
Kai.
We are definitely going to find out what Kai's the traitor this chapter. Before though, let's do some training.
Claude, this celebration's going to go all night if you don't give them some kind of speech.
Me?
You gave one just before the mission, didn't you? Surely you can bookend this with another.
Fine. Everyone, I'd like to say something. I'm gonna be honest with you all. Even I wasn't sure we could make this. I wondered if we should head back. This ship will keep moving forward, but when we look to the future, death stares back at us. We carry on, knowing that we may lose our friends. We may lose our own lives. It's terrifying. Sometimes I want to run away from it all, turn this ship around, but that's not why we're here. We're here to move forward, to protect families back home, and to carry on the will of our fallen comrades. The captain made a decision, and I believed in him. That's all I can ask of you, to believe in his choices and mine. All we can do is work and fight to the best of our abilities, to see that decision to its conclusion. Every soldier on this ship has to stick together, stay strong, and strive toward our goals. Someone has to fight this fight. If we don't take on that burden ourselves, this war will never end. Our children, lovers, friends, sooner or later, the war will find them. They will get hurt, and they will die. Until a hero rises to finish the fight, these tragedies will keep happening. We all know that by now. Every one of us can be that hero. We can seize victory with our own hands and end the war once and for all. To honor those heroes who have already fallen in battle. To make sure tomorrow's heroes aren't taken from us today. Let's win this and come home with our heads held high, with more honor than any medal can give. Let them tell us that this mission is impossible. We're still going to finish it. We choose victory.
Oh good, they do stop, just go on forever.
What's the matter now? Scaredy Claude making a comeback?
No, that's not...
You know what to do, Miles.
Of course. Cameras all set? All right, boys and girls, gather round. Who wants a picture with a future hero?
Wait, everyone, please calm down.
Get a load of Claude's face, Kai. Kai?
Kai.
The troops' morale has recovered. I think it's safe to say they've reached a new level of trust, too.
Seeing is believing. They needed proof to unite them. Words are rarely enough to earn trust, I think. Actions speak far louder. A victory of this magnitude is just the push our operation needed. Naturally, a single victory and a rousing speech aren't going to solve all our problems. But I'd say that's enough work for one day. Mr. Wallace, you've done a fine job indeed.
Ooh, we're fine. Well, everyone else is finding out that Kai is a traitor.
Hey, wait up! I said wait, damn it! Something's going on. What the hell's wrong with you?
Let me go.
Can't you at least tell me?
I said let go!
I'll let go if you promise not to just run away again. Come on, what the hell's gotten into you?
Please, just leave me alone.
Like hell I will.
This is my problem, Raz. It's got nothing to do with you.
It's my problem too.
Why?
Because because we're friends, aren't we?
Friends, huh? Fine. You want to know what kind of friend I really am?
Wait. No.
I've betrayed everyone. Claude, Riley, you, everyone. It makes sense, right? I never could say no to my brother. Ever since we were little. I'd always do whatever he told me. I was always just his messenger, his helper.
Lena.
But I can't take this anymore. I can't do this. I can't just do whatever my brother tells me. I can't keep betraying everyone. Get off me!
Shut up. Just shut up and stay like this for a second. Listen to me, all right? I don't know what you did, and I'm not gonna ask. I don't give a shit, you understand? You're not a traitor. And even if you were, it doesn't matter. How could it? I mean, ever since we were kids, I love you. What kind of guy would I be if I can't forgive a single mistake from the girl I love?
That's sweet, but it's more like a succession of mistakes that have gotten people killed.
It's been hard on you, right? And you regret all of it, and you're not gonna do it again, right? Then forget all this shit. You don't have to worry. Nobody's gonna know if you don't say anything. And if you want to vent, I'll always listen. You know Claude and Riley, they don't notice anything. If it all goes to hell, I'll take the blame for you. So you can rely on me as much as you want. Got it? Doesn't matter who I have to fight. The imps, the feds, or even Kai. I'll give my life to protect you.
Your death flag was already quite high and it's gone just a little bit higher.
So, nothing? I give you my big, dumb, once-in-a-lifetime confession and You got nothing to say.
Dumbass.
Huh? What?
You dumbass. Keep your voice down. How do you expect me to trust some idiot who blurts out confidential information where anyone can hear? But... thank you. I feel like I can breathe again.
You definitely need to throw that radio away, though.
About the other stuff. Can I have some time to think it over?
Oh shit! I did it! I actually said it!
Yeah, but Kai not immediately reciprocating with your death flag has again gotten a little bit higher.
Doctor! I just heard from Marie. The little girl woke up?
She did indeed. I was just finishing a simple checkup. But it does seem like she might have a case of amnesia. So, what's your name?
Angie. Short for Angelica. Hi, Angie. Do you remember anything besides your name?
Judging by her appearance, I don't think she's from the Empire.
If she doesn't remember anything but her name, we don't have a whole lot to work with. I'm sorry. I'm not good at remembering. Oh no, it's okay. Just take your time. You don't have to try and force it.
I'd prefer to have her dropped off at some town, but seeing as we're in enemy territory, that might be tricky. I'm sure the amnesia is only temporary, so I'd say our best choice is to let her rest and keep an eye on her.
Can you look after her, Doctor?
Leave it to me. I was a pediatrician before all this, if you can believe that.
Come on, Riley. Let's get going.
All right. Bye, Angie. Hey. She's all alone, isn't she?
Riley. Doctor, is she strong enough to walk?
Certainly. Aside from the memory loss, she's got a clean bill of health.
Maybe you could show her around the ship a little, Riley.
You think that'd be okay?
As long as you don't enter the restricted areas. She's been bedridden for a while. Some exercise would do her good.
Thank you, Doctor. What do you think, Angie? Want to go for a walk with me? Okay.
I apologize for my absence. I'm afraid the laboratory called me back in for some time. I've just reviewed the reports. Ship 2 was discovered at the bottom of the crevasse, I believe.
Yes, my lord.
Well done. Very commendable, you two.
Oh. Thank you, my lord.
But, regrettably, I cannot say the same for the choices that followed. If you had reported as instructed and followed its course instead of attacking it, they might not have escaped. I believe my instructions were very clear, were they not?
Yes, my lord.
I'd rather we don't have another miscommunication like this. But you understand, it's because I love both of you. Yes, I do this because I love you. Very, very much. You know that, don't you? Now then, let's begin the calibrations.
Yes, my lord. Thank you for your kindness.
You needn't thank me. I do all of this for you, my dears. After this, everything should go much more smoothly. Yes, without a doubt, there will be no more failures.
Interlude. Gift from above.
I mean, I could, but I'm not going to. Instead, I'm gonna do some squad stories. Save first. Well, I'm gonna do a squad story. I think I only have time for one.
To live unbound.
Found it. So this is the Federation's dirty little secret. The stories were true all along. But maybe I should wait to report back until I can gather more evidence. Scott and Norid. I know you're there.
Yes, sir! Huh. I could have sworn we were being sneaky. Impressive.
What are you doing here?
Well, Scott here was on guard duty. And I was just passing by when we heard noises coming from the restricted area. So, here we are. Yes, sir! Let's use our indoor voices, Scott. Someone else might hear. Yes! Thanks. You really are good at following orders, aren't you? Now then, Azusa, mind if I ask you the same question? What are you doing here? If I didn't know any better, I'd think you were snooping around for classified information. It kind of looks like you're a spy. Maybe for the Empire?
Boys, please. Why don't we make this our little secret? If you keep this between us, I'll do anything you want.
Oh, I get it. You're trying to seduce us? No offense, but I'm not interested. The whole mating thing, it just isn't for me.
Huh?
Oh, don't worry about keeping us quiet. We're just curious is all. If you don't want to tell us what you're up to, that's fine. Honestly, I could care less about military secrets. And Scott here won't try to stop you unless he's ordered to. No, sir!
You're kidding, right? If an officer caught you letting a spy run free, you'd be done for.
Oh, so you're just admitting you're a spy?
Oh, hold up. But why don't we talk somewhere roomier? I can't stand being cooped up like this.
Huh? Hey, wait!
Ah, feel that breeze. Nothing like the great outdoors. Yes, sir.
Are you really not going to turn me in?
That's what I said, isn't it?
You might as well report me. First I got caught, then my charms fell totally flat. Maybe I'm not cut out for this.
Oh, sorry about that. But like I said, mating and stuff isn't really my thing. See, I'm from another country too, far to the north. Up there, I lived in harmony with Mother Nature. But the higher the human population, the less room left for animals. Breeding with you would be irresponsible. For me, animals are the only children I want. Mother Nature's the only lover I need.
You're weird. I thought you were just asexual, but it sounds like you're not asexual. You're just weird, Norid.
I get what you're saying, but the way you're saying it is totally weirding me out. That's not just me, right?
No, sir. But you catch my drift about the beauty of nature, don't you? Yes, sir.
I seriously can't. You boys don't have a care in the world. I kind of envy that. Truth be told, I'm a spy. Not for the Empire, though. If I told you where, I'd have to kill you. Let's say I'm from the Far East and leave it at that. Long story short, I was raised by a clan of assassins. I've been conducting espionage since I was a child. That's why I joined the squad. My mission is to find out what the Federation is hiding, then report back to my clan.
Should you be telling us all this?
Of course not. But you boys reminded me of something. All I've ever wanted was to cut my puppet strings. A life without anyone or anything tying me down.
Is that so? Want us to help you?
Help me? With what?
Cut your strings. I can't stand the sight of a caged animal. And the same goes for people. After all, humans are animals too. We're meant to be free. Am I right? Yes, sir. How about we make it seem like you died in combat? You can slip away, and they'll be none the wiser.
This has to be a joke. Why would you stick your necks out for me?
You're overthinking it. I love nature, which means I love freedom. And Scott's just that nice of a dude.
Alright, this is an odd one.
Allow me to brief you on the upcoming operation.
Okay.
You're cleared for
Simple
deployment,
enough.
Squaddy. May the odds be in your favor.
Pay attention, Scott. I'll go over it one more time. Once the fighting starts, we detach from the main force, and then we'll help Azusa escape. Aye, aye, sir.
Norid made me an offer I couldn't refuse. But are these boys really here to help me? It's too good to be true. Either way, all I can do is try to lay low. Let's wait and see how things shake out.
Naturally. You can count on me.
Incoming!
Survival of the fittest.
That was wonderful. Another job well done.
There's our prey. Feel that breeze.
I see. They're good.
Feel that breeze. You can count on me.
Calm down! We need suppress...
If the cold doesn't get you, I will.
Wait for the right moment.
I'll hit him.
Then fire.
Keep.
Understood. Fire.
No! Naturally.
Please respond.
There's one, no, two enemies up ahead. Open fire, Scott!
Aye, aye!
Good. That takes care of that. Next up... Wait, what are you doing? They're already dead. Scott, would you...
Cease fire!
Yes, ma'am.
You gotta mind your words. Scott's like a genie. He'll do whatever you say exactly as you said it. Tell him to fight, and he won't stop until he drops. So, be careful what you wish for. It may come true.
That's impressive. Way too literal, but impressive.
Is it though?
They're good.
Sir! Yes, sir!
Keep firing!
Attacking! Yes, sir!
I should have expected.
Sir! Yes, sir!
Incoming!
Attacking!
That was wonderful. Another job well done.
Yep, into shelter, cut as you like.
Moving out.
Mother Nature is all around us.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're safe from the grenadier now.
enemy! The enemy!
Commencing counterattack. Follow my lead.
Attacking! Yes, sir!
Feel that breeze.
Brace for attack. Keep an eye on the enemy's movement.
We can outlast them in this cold.
Doesn't look like I can take down a grenadier from here.
Sorry.
Nice shot.
Ah, right, they're hidden behind a cliff.
Moving out.
Taking fire. Could use some backup.
There.
They're spotting enemies before they even know we're here. I don't know how you do it, Azusa.
Comes with being a spy. Though it helps that my sense of smell is stronger than most. Chemicals, body odor, even lies. I can sniff it out plain as the nose on your face.
Wow, amazing. So that's how you found us yesterday.
Pretty much. Your scent is rather unique, Norid. More like animal musk than body odor.
Really? I'll take that as a compliment. It means I'm in touch with my wild side.
As for you, Scott, it's obvious how hard you work out. The scent of sweat is pretty strong on you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, don't get me wrong. It's not a bad smell. Just a healthy, natural odor. I'd even call it manly.
What, you get turned on by B.O.?
Huh? Of course not. Don't be ridiculous.
I was just joking, but based on your reaction, I'm starting to wonder.
Yes, sir.
Drop it, okay? We are on a mission here, and we need to keep moving.
They're good.
Are you hurt?
Moving out.
Yeah, let's give Scott some of our grenade.
Medic! Medic!
Aye, aye. Aye, aye, sir.
I'm looking forward to hearing good news.
Sir, yes, sir.
Understood.
We can do with some free turns, I'm sure.
Keep firing!
Stick to the shadows.
Engaging!
Aye, aye, sir!
They're onto you! You're being targeted!
I'll hit him!
Nice. Keep up the good work.
Take it easy.
Naturally.
Hold position. I'll be there soon.
Naturally.
Please
Moving out.
be careful when handling liquids. They could easily freeze.
Where are the reinforcements?
Just one more, I think.
Moving out.
They're not making this easy for us.
Target confirmed. Commencing attack.
Yes, sirree!
Calling for frontline.
Go, sir! Sir, yes, sir!
Confirming wide-range deployment.
Naturally.
Proceed with caution.
Understood.
You're being targeted.
Commence.
Naturally.
I got
Feel that breeze.
Keep up.
All clear. Now let's get while the getting's good.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Azusa. This way.
If you say so.
Good thing the rest of the squad is drunk on victory. I think we broke off unnoticed. Here's your chance to leave, Azusa. You're free now.
I didn't expect you to actually go through with this.
I told you, I'm on your side. Scott, too.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, it was an honor fighting with you. Take care out there.
No.
Hmm?
Thank you. Both of you. But I think I'll stay with the squad.
Huh? Why? You can finally cut your strings loose.
I thought I had nothing left to tie me down here. But now I see I've got two friends who care about me. We've come this far. If I ran away now, I'd be leaving you both in the lurch. My conscience just won't allow it. And besides, I actually like being on the battlefield.
Let me guess. You get off on the smell of battle. Sorry, I was just ruffling your feathers. But if you don't cut and run now, you'll never be free from your clan or from the army, right?
Not necessarily.
What did you just tear up?
The classified info I stole yesterday. I've decided not to report back to my homeland. If I have to be someone's puppet, at least I can choose who gets to pull my strings.
I gotcha. All right, if that's what your conscience says, then who am I to try and stop you? Maybe this is your first step toward a life that's free. Like I said, humans are animals too. We long for freedom, sure, but we're social creatures at heart. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Well then, no reason to stick around here. Let's regroup with the others.
Yes, let's.
Aye, aye.
Oh good, you're back. I was worried when you disappeared.
Sorry about that. Took us a while to shake those bogeys off our tail.
In any case, I'm glad you're all safe and sound. Head back to the ship and call it a day.
I'll do just that. Thank you, Commander.
Oh, right. Sorry, Scott. Do you have a moment?
Sir, yes, sir.
Something wrong, Commander?
No, I just have a couple questions. Someone found evidence of a break-in near the reactor in the restricted area.
Huh?
I believe you were on patrol that night, Scott. Did you see anything unusual during your watch?
No, sir.
So you didn't see anything? Nothing at all?
Nothing, sir. I didn't see nothing. I was just patrolling, sir. Just following orders.
At ease. I'm not accusing you of anything. You're a fine soldier and an honest man. If you didn't see anything, that's that. Thank you for the report.
Sir, yes, sir.
Well, that was unexpected.
Yeah, we can thank our lucky stars. That was close.
No, I meant how Scott actually spoke up. With something other than a yes, sir. And it was to cover for me. Thank you.
No, ma'am.
He's just that good of a dude. Besides, he said he didn't see nothing. Technically, he told the truth.
Like a literal genie. You boys are beyond belief.
Right back at you. Whoever heard of a spy with a conscience?
Point taken. I'm just not cut out for espionage.
Sure, you're a lousy spy, but you chose friends over freedom. That makes you a rare breed. For a human.
I guess I'll take that as a compliment. But you're right. Whether I'm tied to an army or a clan, I'm still free to make that choice.
Hey, you hear that? I think there's an animal out there. Come on, Scott, let's go check it out.
Yes, sir.
There's always a string attached.
Oh, that was sweet.
Listen up, everyone. I'd like to introduce a new member of Squad E.
Hello, I'm Mabel Drake. I don't like wasting time, so can we wrap this up?
Alright, we'll leave things there for today. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time.